Back to GStartInfo. Thank you for opening this one for course web development. So today we are going to see the HTML attribute and the color about HTML and CSS or colors. This is the reason for. So let's start. Now we are going to HTML attribute. Any attribute is special code that can enhance or modify tags. They define the characteristics of HTML and generally located in the starting tag after tag name. All attributes are made up of two parts, name and value. Basic syntax of tag and attribute. Let's see syntax. We have a tag, this tag, and tag name, attribute name, equal value in quotes. As we know, we write tags by opening tag and closing tags. All attributes need to surround by quotes, as you know. Then attribute name and value. Attribute name is property that you want to set. For example, paragraph. This is the element in the example carries out any attribute whose name is argin, which you can use to indicate the element of paragraph on the page. The value is what you want the value of the property to be set. Always put within quotation. The below example shows three possible value argin attribute: left, center, and right. In order to get an HTML attribute, we are going to make new file. Where we generate, we call it attribute.html. Then we have using a mark to get this code. So we are going to know how to use attribute. For example, h3. Let's use the h1 as tag. I'm going to make we set attribute after making the some words first attribute. Let's copy and h2, which is called second attribute. And the h3, which is called the third attribute. So now we are going to see the result now. The result now is this. So we are going to set attribute which code are you again. First again equal center. See the result. The second, it's again right, again left. Let's call it again left. See the result. It's still there in left corner. Again is attribute name and equal value correct. So as you see, the again center, call it in the center, again left, call it in left, and again right. So this is attribute name, this is the value. Can use main tags, not headings, like hrl. Set width as attribute name equal the value equal 15%. Then let's see the result. See the result. Can you make it when you go 100 to change? See the difference of value 18, and it's now you see. Specifying the color within a web page. If you would like to specify the color within your web page, you must set the color attribute. Attribute determines the appearance of web page, such as background color, text color, and fonts. Now we are going to HTML colors, which is most important in design. As a designer of front web, you have to know the color. So HTML colors. 216 web save color hexadecimal RGB values. Netscape specified 216 colors that have precedence in web browser based on the 256 color spread within any 8-bit system, as the 14 color spread different between PCs and Macs. They were eliminated. There's a 216 colors known as web save color array system, which means this color will look about the same with any browser. HTML colors can be specified in 3 ways: color by name, hexadecimal color code, and color by color values. Color by name, the only 16 names are supported by www.html5 standard: black, blue, fuchsia, gray, green, lime, maroon, navy, olive, purple, red, silver, teal, white, and yellow. hexadecimal color are made in a set of RGB number, which we'll see it in CSS, representing the amount of red, green, and blue contained within a color. These colors are represented as hexadecimal values. We'll see it in CSS. Color values are defined using number for the combination red, green, blue color values. Lowest that can be given to one source is 0. The highest value is 255. So let's continue with WCSS standard 16 color. Here is the list of WCSS standard 16 names, and it's commanded to use them: black, gray, silver, white, yellow, cream, aqua, fuchsia, red, green, blue, purple, maroon, olive, navy, and tea. So this is color by hexadecimal hexa, and color by RGB. So now this is a short summary. Have to use time well to conclude, to make it clear to this course, to make it good designer of web page. So let's continue. Use BG color. Can use color name like that, and the orbit be theme, or you can use RGB. So you can change using RGB, that means red, green, and blue. We've got RGB. Let's use 0, 0, 120. But before let's copy this. Let's cut this to see the result. There is no color there, and then paste it, that RGB. You see there is a color, can change there by 5, and color change and again make it 2255. So you know, you can, this is the way you use the format of RGB. You can also use codes of hexa like hashtag F1 F1 F1. Let's see the result of the color. So we have seen the different way you can change the color in format of name of color, codes, and the RGB. So this is the end of this lesson 4. So we are going to, in the next season we are going about the images in HTMLs and also on. So now, thank you for watching our video. Please don't forget to subscribe. See you in next lesson. God be with you.